nature prayer every Friday. I humbly bow to the bird species that sings the morning song with its chirping sounds and the tree that fills the greenery with life giving air. Mother Nature, who teaches the beauty of hard life with ants and the message of unity with flocks of crows, I salute you. I realize that I am only a part of nature. Like me, cow and cheetah have the right to live. So I swear that I will not disturb their habitats, abuse the natural resources, pollute with toxic chemicals and plastic waste. I will work with discretion and eradicate superstitions. I swear as a witness of nature that I will save biodiversity to protect nature and become a scientific minded student.